You can see simply we have how the cars look like, everything. Let's see. Oh my god. Not that they have stayed here for a long time, but they have just here. Okay. But hey, what's up? This is Lovy Talks, and today I'm gonna show you there's something going on here in Russia. So there's massive snowstorms. I don't know, it has been falling for a long time, you know. You can see background. So it has been falling for the past 1 week, and it's too much. Yeah. So let me show you everything, how it's looking like. Okay, so it's simply snow in Moscow, and this is the record snow that has been ever experienced in Moscow. So let's go and let's see. So I have my gloves on, so everything need to be fine. Yeah. So let's see how it looks like. Oh my god. See, it's super. I have to put on my mask because my lips will dry and will start cracking because of cold. So see you. So this is my university. So you can see this is my university, and there is snow everywhere. Look at it. Like look. That's snow. Snow. Yeah, it's almost 1 meter. So today the snow has fallen and has accumulated 1 meter. So it's super terrible, and this is difficult. Let me show you what's going on our roads. So as usual, you're gonna see, when you see this sign, you know that this is the symbol of my university. Yeah, so this is the guy who founded this university. Actually, you can see, he's the guy who founded this particular university. So my university is called Rossiyskiy Государственный геологический университет. Yeah, so this is my university, and you can see everything. So vlogging today is just as usual. I'm going to show you why we have so much snow. So they're collecting snow, they're clearing snow from the road, and they bring them to this particular point. There's a point where the snow collection center, and you can see buses collecting snow, and this is massive. This is really terrible. Oh my god. So it's all about snow. So there's nothing special, there's nothing good. So too much snow. Okay, you can see. Maybe you can test something. You can test something. Test. Oh my god. Okay, so it's too much. Check at it. This one has been cleared and has been posted the other side. So why not cleared, then it will have been this particular size. So I don't know. So let's see. Let's see. You see, it's going like that. Okay, so we are waiting for the buses. So it's super good. Look at the sun. Okay, can't see the sun. And it's also the first time seeing the sun. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the sun. You only see the sun once, and that's all. Okay. So that's the sun. So you only see sun once, and it's gone. Okay, so this is how life looks like now. Too much snow. I haven't seen this in my life. No, never. Yani когда-то не видел вообще. I've never seen this one in my life. So I moved to Moscow my first winter with snow, and I really liked it. Yeah, so so hi, today is Valentine, and as you know that Valentine you have to get a special treat. Oh my god, my camera is frozen. Okay, sorry, my camera is frozen. Okay, so my camera has been frozen. So I was saying that today is Valentine. So I want to wish you a nice Valentine. Good day, enjoy yourself. Those who have lovers, enjoy. Put everything you have, enjoy your life, do everything you like, and it's gonna be good. Okay, so hey, nakaka matope. It's so the whole of this one is just snow. See, it's snow as usual. So even. But one funny thing in Russia that even when it's cold, it's snowing, people are still building houses. So construction is going on as usual. So this is the best thing with Russia. They are good in construction, and whether it's raining, sunshine, snowing, they'll have to build their houses. So I decided to show you, to make a vlog of today, just specifically on snow, because it's really terrible. No more people working, because before they have been clearing the snow, but now they're not clearing any, because it's too much. The ones falling and the ones being cleared are just in proportional. So not too much snow. Okay. That is too much. Yes. You know, my front camera is freezing. So soon my phone will go off, because with this temperature everything is freezing. And when you have Android phone, once they freeze, once they're frozen, it goes off. Okay, so for this Valentine, I'm gonna treat myself. So self-treat is something good. So I'm gonna treat myself and appreciate and enjoy being myself. So that's why I'm going out for this. Okay. Oh my god. So you have been here for a short period of time. Yeah. Something to do like that. So I think it's really mean and really tough time for people too. And most cars are not moving now. Most people are using metro. So that's one advantage of living in Moscow. You can either use a car or a metro. It depends where you're going to and the kind of job you're doing. So that's how it is. But we are waiting for the worst than this. There's a car covered. Okay. So as usual, we're going to Burger King. Okay, so let me visit the bank first and see something good here. Okay, so we have ATM machine. Okay, so we have ATM machine here. Okay, so it's super cold. So we have something good here, Burger King. So we have Burger King. We're gonna test something cool. So let's see. It's treatment time. Hey, how are you? You okay?
It's okay.
Okay, nice to see you, man. Okay. One, okay, yeah, give me one cheeseburger and Pepsi, and you have fries. Yeah. Картошка free. Да.
Ketchup.
Huh?
Ketchup.
No. I don't need any. So that's all.
Yes,
Okay.
okay.
How much?
Все?
Yeah, все, да.
224.
Ага, карта. Okay, that's good. Thank you, man. Yeah. Adolga butuh that? So this is why I like Pepsi. I like Burger King. So I always come to drink Pepsi here. It's really beautiful Pepsi. Все? Oh, спасибо. Okay, so It's Pepsi time. Let's fill it. You have to mix. And you have to mix. Okay. So some people are wondering why it's cold and I'm still taking cold Pepsi. When it's cold, you only take cold things. And when it's warm, you still take cold things. So that's the logic here. When it's cold, and you still take cold things. So let me see where to sit. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, okay. 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 Stop. Okay.